just isn't as fun without a good water gun fight. So these two Greenbelt police officers didn't miss the chance to bust out their water cannons and race into a
I believe you understand. Yeah, this one. I think this one is for my kid brother. Oh. But now, elders, market women, they are all using this. I was asking myself, what is going on? I went on social media, this toy gun, water toy gun, and this is trending. I was like, but these people normally buy this during Christmas for their kids. It's been a while. I even saw some in the market. But well, elders are trying to tell us that this is very important for them because they are using it if you go to social media. The game is nice. The game, oh god, this is Authentic Plus TV. Kindly do subscribe, share and like. Also, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. All right, so this toy gun thing started in June. It started trending in June, but it didn't really go viral because people think this is used during Christmas. But you know, a small boy called Papayao started this trend. He got this toy gun from the dad, and then someone provoked him, and he started using it straight to the person like this. You get them. But after that, if you know what I'm saying, like you bab. Kumasi people, between the PZ and blue lights, like, is it a banter? Or they are trying to make this thing war? You just watch this and I will explain. Watch.
You say boys na more town and cranny to enjoy man. Christmas Eve bowl. And can cry to no mudi dia gron kakan. Ayi PZ for boys ni blue light for boys. Magic a true no magic to that time when you ask a day. Nami chemo PZ I bet it almost a girl when you say at least a moment say ma or baby trip. But it she's all be her could tell to any be.
Summer just isn't as fun without a good water gun fight. So these two Greenbelt police officers didn't miss the chance to bust out their water cannons and race into a...
So they started this war. Even market women are using it. But you know something about this thing, people are using it like as fun. They are using this thing as joke, trending, creating content and all that. This is an election year. An election year. And I believe things like this, children has to be playing with this. But for elders to also jump into it, hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Because people can just use this as an excuse. They will put original bullets or even start using correct gun or in the name of content and start doing all sorts of things. And at the end, people will start losing their lives. Serious. Because this thing are supposed to be for kids. And this is a smart way for elders to also join using toy gun. Wow. Interesting. But well, let's pray for a peaceful election. This is the Authentic Plus TV. My name is Sarah Tete. Kindly do subscribe, share and like. And also follow us on all social media platforms.